Monica says she was in an accident where a guy rear-ended her. She was taken to the hospital, had some neck injuries. The insurance company that he had said he was not on the insurance policy as a driver, but yet the car had insurance on it itself. What exactly does that mean?
Well, that means the insurance company is trying to get away with not being held responsible. There's a word called privity. And privity creates a certain relationship by way of contract. And with regard to the liability coverage, you don't have a contract with them. So insurance companies and the adjusters that they represent have wide latitude in describing their position on what occurred. It doesn't matter that the driver is not named on the policy. If he was permitted to use the vehicle, or even if he used it without permission but had been allowed to use it before, the liability insurance has to cover the loss. So don't be concerned with that. We hear that on occasion, especially when clients come in to see us and they say they're being told there's no insurance coverage. We listen to their story. We know it's wrong. As soon as we send notice, that adjuster is no longer on the case. We get a litigation adjuster then because they know what's up.
Yeah, and one of the important things to remember, we talk about it all the time, and we say UM coverage. Okay, get UM coverage or UIM coverage in South Carolina. And what that is, what it stands for is uninsured motorist. So it's coverage you get on your own car in case the one that hits you has a person driving that isn't covered by any policy. And there is a situation in which you can exclude a driver. For instance, you have a child that's living with you, or say a young adult that's of drinking age, and they have a drinking problem, and you say, look, you can't drive any of my cars, and I'm excluding you from my insurance. So you're not on the insurance, and it's actually in the contract. In that situation, if they got your car and you didn't let them, nor you never let them drive your car, then that person is going to be uninsured. And the only thing that you're going to have to go after as far as any sort of compensation is your UM coverage. And if you don't purchase it prior to the accident, you can have the best lawyer in the world. You're not going to recover anything. We can only get access to what insurance is available in the case. So please go out there and take care of yourselves and your families and get some UM or UIM coverage.